I know most of you ladies dreaming of a ring, white picket fences and forever kind of things. But baby,
What's up, y'all? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Hey, how y'all doing? Good? You doing good? Great, marvelous. Me too. It's a little early because I decided to get up today and get some things popping. Okay, things that I needed to do, and I only think of some things when certain things happen. But today I said I have a list. I'm going to go down my list and get them taken care of. And one of them, check this out, y'all, is this telescopic clothesline. I am going to put this in my shower area. You know, I tell you what, I only think about stuff like this when I come off the road and I have like stuff that I wear on stage that I can't dry, you know, that goes in the dryer. So when I thought about this item that was sent to me, I was like, oh my goodness, I need to get busy and put that up today. So this is going to be nifty. I might have to draft Mikey D to help me with this as well, because I got to put it up a little bit taller because my shower head has this, you know, the double shower head thing where, you know, it's a little bit tall. It's way up there. So I want to put this above it so when I hang my clothes, it'll be like, you know, the line won't be in the way and all of that. So I'm going to do this, but let me just show you what it is. And hey, why not do it now? Are you ready? Well, let me open it up and see what I got to do, and we're going to get started today. Okay, y'all doing okay, by the way? Girl, come on in, shut the door, come hang out with your girl. Okay, let's do it. So I'm just going to be honest, y'all, and I know you've probably been there too. Have you ever tried to hang laundry only to find your clothes bunched up in the middle of the line like they're at a family reunion? And that's exactly why I was excited to try this SIWUKEH 15.5 foot retractable clothesline. Let me just tell you, at the end of this process and when I start using it, it did not disappoint. So I changed my mind about putting it in my shower because the shower has, you know, that new installation in there that I don't want to mess up. So I'm going to actually put this in the laundry room. Best idea ever. So let's get to it. First off, this little thing is mighty. It has a stainless steel wire that can hold up to 44 pounds, which is way more than I expected. I have hung up jeans and towels, so much more, and it didn't sag one bit. That's because it has this clever anti-sag knob right in the center. Just turn it and it tightens the wire so everything stays spaced out and dries faster. And the installation, I want to thank my husband for doing that. Let's talk about it. Let me just make sure he gets all of these goodies so he won't have no problems. You don't have to be a pro to get it up and running. It comes with both glue and screw mount options, which I love that because not everyone wants to drill into their wall. I went with the screwed in method since it's going to be in the laundry room. It's a place where it's going to stick and stay there forever, okay? And yes, it's holding strong. Now, what really sealed the deal for me is the auto retract feature. When I'm done, I just let it zip back into place. It's neat, space saving, and so satisfying. Plus, no tangled messes. It's also made from ABS material that's waterproof, rust-proof, and sunproof, which means you can use it indoors or outdoors. I tell you what, it's just perfect. It's perfect. So if you're tired of bulky drying racks or sagging lines, this retractable clothesline is the way to go. It's smart, it's simple, and strong. And if you have not already seen, it was easy to set up. Check it out, y'all. Check it out.
a sprinkle of sugar, a dash of sass. I'm the spark before it ever lasts. So don't you cry when I don't call back. I told you, love, I'm just here for a little